friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today in this video let's see how to assemble different floral and decorative items to make a beautiful hanging for the main door. This beautiful hanging can be used during Diwali festival or any other festival. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of making this beautiful hanging. Friends, let's make this toran in this video. The materials required are jute belt, which is 40 inches in length, green colored felt or velvet fabric of the same length as the jute belt, yellow and pink colored velvet roses, yellow and pink colored peony flowers, red colored pillows, yellow and red gotapatti balls, gotapatti pointed petal flowers, gotapatti regular flowers, wooden parrots, square bangles, ferns, gotapatti patches, golden beads, thread for tying, hot glue gun to stick all the materials together. Please contact on the given number for the DIY kit for making this toran. Let's take the jute belt and start arranging the circle patches over it. Using the pins, let's align it along the edges. Adjust the patches equally on the belt. Using the glue gun, let's stick the patches on the belt as shown. Similarly, let's take all the patches. Here we have stuck all the patches, and now let's take the green felt all over the jute belt using the glue gun. Once the green felt is stuck, let's prepare 2 Lutguns like this. Taking the thread, let's lock one bead in between, and using a piece of wire, let's add beads to it to make the Lutgun. Let's prepare 2 Lutguns, one big and one small. Tie them together. Now attach the Lutguns to the pointed gota flower as shown. Again stick this gota flower onto the belt prepared earlier in between the patches. Similarly, let's do all the Lutguns. Here we have attached all the Lutguns. Let's prepare a separate long Lutgun at the ends. Starting with the pillow, let's add golden beads to it. Prepare 2 such Lutguns, one big and one small in length. Tie them together. After adding a gota flower and parrot, tie them to the square bangle. Again, let's make a small Lutgun inside the bangle too. Continue the hanging by adding a pom-pom and more golden beads. Now attach this long Lutgun to the pointed gota flower as done earlier and stick it to the jute belt on one end as shown. Stick this Lutgun onto the jute belt on one end as shown. Similarly, prepare a long Lutgun on the other end too. Now let's sew the ferns on the belt above the gota patches. Next, let's arrange the roses and peony flowers over the patch. And a plain gota flower in between. Stick all the flowers using glue gun in the color pattern as shown, taking alternate colors of yellow and pink as shown. Complete the toran by taking alternate colors of yellow and pink. Here we have attached the flowers. Now let's add white pearls on the gota flower. Also, let's add a small stone patch over the gota flowers. Friends, here we have completed our beautiful toran for the main door, which can be used for personal use or for gifting purpose also. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment too. Thanks for watching.